Are you tired of seeing this pop up every time you go to your pre-order screen? Well, I got just a solution for you. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and type song.link into the web address bar, and then you want to go to this website right here, as you can see on the screen. Once you're at the website, what you want to do now is you just need to go ahead and put your album, EP, or song name in the search bar, and then I just recommend putting your name in there as well and hit search. Now, as you can see on the screen, it shows all of my EP songs. Now, you can't listen to them, but you can definitely go ahead and click on one of them, and it'll bring you to your actual profile screen on there that's already made for your EP, album, or song. Once you see that, what you need to do now is you just need to go to the very bottom and click on the iTunes section, which is the buy section. After you click on that, it'll automatically take you to iTunes to where you can view the pre-order screen and pre-order it right then and there on the spot. I hope this really helped y'all out. It definitely helped me out. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.
That is the great